The 2013 Malibu. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, body color bumpers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, panic alarm, power driver seat, rear side airbag. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.